Mastering the basics, understanding the rules of chess. Hello everyone and welcome to our chess tutorial series. Today we are going to dive into the basics and learn all about the rules of chess. Whether you're new to the game or just need a refresher, this video is for you. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the chessboard. It consists of 64 squares arranged in an 8x8 grid. The board is divided into light squares and dark squares, with each player having a light square on the right side. Next, let's introduce the pieces. Each player starts with 16 pieces, including 1 king, 1 queen, 2 rooks, 2 knights, 2 bishops, and 8 pawns. The goal of the game is to checkmate your opponent's king, which means putting the king in a position where it is under attack and cannot escape. Now let's talk about how each piece moves. The king can move 1 square in any direction. The queen is the most powerful piece. It can move any number of squares in any direction, horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. The rook can move any number of squares horizontally or vertically. The bishop can move any number of squares diagonally. The knight moves in an L shape, 2 squares in one direction and then 1 square perpendicular to that. And finally, the pawn. Pawns move forward 1 square, but they capture diagonally. One special move to know is castling. This involves moving the king 2 squares towards the rook, then placing that rook on the square next to the king. Castling is a great way to safeguard your king and activate your rooks. And that's it for the basic rules of chess. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to play and learn from your game.